Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing chicken karahi, which is a rather thick and concentrated in flavor type of gravy. It is made from a ginger, garlic and tomato base and is garnished with slit green chilies, ginger julienne and chopped green coriander. It's a spicy, delicious and flavorful dish. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. The method: heat oil in the wok, then drop in the ghee and let it melt. Then drop in the bay leaf and the chopped onions and fry until the onions turn light brown. Drop in the crushed garlic, crushed ginger and chopped green chillies. Fry. Drop in the salt and continue to fry. Now drop in the chicken pieces and fry on high heat for about 5 to 8 minutes until the chicken changes color and is seared. Drop in the chili powder, coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, turmeric powder and pepper powder. Fry for 1 minute on high heat. Now drop in the chopped tomatoes and cook for a couple of minutes. The tomatoes are going to leave a lot of water. Now cover and cook on low heat for 15 minutes, mixing at regular intervals in between. When the time is done, open and cook on high heat to allow the gravy to thicken. Drop in the yogurt and fry until all the water evaporates. As I mentioned, this is a rather thick and concentrated in flavor type of gravy. So add in the dried fenugreek leaves, Garam Masala powder and Chaat Masala. Continue to cook on high heat for a couple of minutes. This is a good time to taste, so add a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper powder as required and cook until the oil separates from the masala. Lastly, garnish with slit green chilies, chopped green coriander leaves and cut ginger julienne. Mix. Squeeze a dash of lemon juice as required. Give it a mix. Then cover and simmer until done. So that's it. We've come to the best part now. So serve with pulao rice, garlic naan and a lemon slice, or with any other accompaniment of your choice. And there you have it, a delicious, spicy and flavorful dish called chicken karahi or Kadai chicken. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other chicken recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.